Have you ever wondered how to grow low-maintenance plants at home? Today, we're exploring the world of succulents and cacti, perfect for adding a touch of green without the fuss. Stay tuned as we delve into an easy step-by-step guide on how to grow these resilient beauties. So, what exactly are succulents and cacti? Well, these distinct plants are nature's water reservoirs, storing moisture in their leaves, stems, or roots. This water-hoarding ability makes them incredibly hardy and low-maintenance. Now that we know what they are, let's discover how to grow them. Growing succulents and cacti at home is a breeze. Here's how. Start by choosing the right soil. Succulents and cacti thrive in well-draining soil, so consider using a cactus mix or a blend of potting soil and perlite. Next, select a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Size matters too. A pot that's too large can lead to root rot, so opt for one just slightly larger than the plant itself. The location is key. These plants love plenty of sunlight, so a south or east-facing window is ideal. Now, for planting, nestle your succulent or cactus into the soil, leaving the top of the plant above the soil surface. Watering is crucial. Do it sparingly, only when the soil is completely dry. Remember, overwatering is a common mistake. As for maintenance, it's minimal. Just keep an eye out for pests and prune as necessary to maintain shape. With these steps, you're well on your way to growing your very own succulents and cacti. In summary, succulents and cacti are great low-maintenance plants perfect for home gardening. They are unique, resilient, and can thrive in various conditions. Remember, the process of growing these gems involves choosing the right type, preparing the pot with proper soil, providing ample light, and watering sparingly. It's a rewarding journey that brings a touch of nature into your space. So why not give it a try? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!